So we're next up page, next up page 10, Stephan Bonnar versus Affinity Lifestyles. Let's go ahead and set forth our appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brianna Switzler on behalf of plaintiffs, and for judicious efficiency's sake, I don't know if you want to call this case and the Gallagher case at the same time. I know you asked the parties if they'd stipulate to that or agree to hire that. They're basically the same motion.
Yes. And for the record, we'll call the Orion Gallagher versus Affinity Lifestyles matter also. Thank you, ma'am, for reminding me of that. Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor. Scott Rasmussen on behalf of the Hanna Instruments.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Kristen Schwingler on behalf of AffinityLifestyles.com, Inc. and the Real Water entities.
Good morning. Does that cover all appearances?
Yeah, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Teddy Parker.
Good morning, Mr. Parker.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Teddy Parker on behalf of Plaintiffs Steve Haley.
All right. Anyone else? I want to make sure we don't overlook anyone. It doesn't appear to be. Ma'am, you have the floor.
And I think we can speed this up a little bit for Your Honor. Obviously, we filed our motion. There was an opposition filed. It's on the record. Last Wednesday, we went before Judge Kishner on substantially similar motions where she found that there was no undue delay and that there was no other reason to deny our motion, and found that we had been not dilatory in our efforts to proceed with the motion to amend. And she granted our motions in four of the coordinated, real water cases. We then immediately went to Judge Johnson, where the opposition didn't even appear for that hearing, and Judge Johnson obviously granted the motion as well. After that, I made efforts to try to stipulate to not have this hearing today. Unfortunately, the signatories, I just heard from Hanna Instruments on Monday afternoon that they would be willing to stipulate to permit plaintiffs to file the amended complaints in this matter, and in the other matters before Your Honor and Judge Alf as well. Due to the timing of that, I sent out stipulations that day. However, we just didn't get the signatures from all of the parties at that time. So I'm more than willing to go into the details of the motion if you would like, Your Honor, but as it stands, I believe that there's really no opposition to plaintiff's motion.
Okay. There was one filed, though, right?
There was one filed, but they are now saying that they'd be willing to stipulate for us to file our amended complaints. Right. That is correct.
Well,
Your Honor, that opposition would have been filed by Hanna Instruments, and we can withdraw that if you would like.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I get it. All right. Ma'am, I'll go ahead and grant it. Prepare the appropriate order.
I actually have the order here if you wouldn't mind signing it just to speed up the process.
No, we sign it. Submit it electronically. Okay. And it'll get signed today.
Okay. Perfect.
I mean, we do.
It happened. It was about a 5 or 6
It's
day
like
delay.
we don't delay, right? Isn't that right, Julian? We don't delay. We get them in. We have a less than 24-hour turnaround on orders. I don't mind saying that. We do.
All right, perfect. Then I will send that to you right now. Thank you.
All right. And everyone, enjoy your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Right.
Have a good day.
Because we're quick on orders. I don't mind.